In a major setback for people of Manipur in assessing quality healthcare, all the private health institutes affiliated to the Association of Healthcare Providers of India, in short AHPI, Manipur chapter, will be temporarily suspending the benefits under Pmjay scheme from August 16, 2025. The association has cited delays in reimbursement of claims and non-payment of dues under the Pmjay scheme as reason for the suspension of benefits under the scheme. The decision was resolved on July 30th by the Association of Healthcare Providers of India, Manipur chapter. During the suspension period, treatments and services will be chargeable at standard institutional rates until all pending dues are cleared by the concerned government authorities. According to a statement, many private hospitals, clinics, diagnostics centers, etc. have come under immense financial and operational stress due to the non-payment of dues. It is worth mentioning that the Pmjay is a health assurance scheme that provides health cover of 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization to over 12 crore poor and vulnerable families that form the bottom of the 40% of the Indian population.